In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and tapping on sounds and vibration after scrolling down. Now you can click on vibrate at the top in the middle, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also select sound next to vibrate, and by clicking on this switcher next to vibrate wiring, enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then scroll down, click on call vibration, and tap on the best option for your incoming calls. You can apply one of those patterns or select silent. Wherever you decided, when you finished, go back and click on notification vibration to do exactly the same but for your notifications. Then click on system vibration and adjust intensity of them by operating this slider at the top. You can also click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for all of them. When you finished, go back and click on vibration intensity. Over here you can operate this slider to adjust intensity of haptic feedback. It's the same one as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!